So here's another Boop test run on this cool sort of stylized robot. This is another Meshy AI thing. Every time I make one of these, I'm like, God, I just want to make that by hand. But this is kind of inspired by some of the work that I did on Torchlight 3 back in the day. So here we go. We're going to go to Boop. We can see the UV layout here on the side. We can see that it's coming in as a pretty heavy model. I'll turn on the stats here. We can see that it's 1.155 million faces here. So let me just see how we go with this. We go process selected, and we'll see how this UV layout changes compared to the original input. And yeah, so here is the preview. We don't see any of the UVs previewed at this point because this is just the mesh that's being processed here. It is suggesting 254,000, but I want us to crunch it down further than that. So let's say 30k, right? 30,000, right? And we'll see how this goes. So you can see that it's pretty optimized there in terms of the triangle count. You can see it's reduced by 97%. So I've got this in viewport GUI, and we'll say, yeah, let's just go 2048 for the textures, and we have transfer on that. So I've got to click apply, and it'll run through that process. So it's going to generate the mesh, generate UVs, and then bake across those textures. So we can see there, I'll turn that off, we can see that we still have pretty good quality, pretty good consistency in terms of the textures that have been transferred. We can see that there is still a bit of an island fragmentation going on there due to the complexity of the model, but we can see that the individual islands themselves, or the facial areas, are a little bit more contiguous. So here we go, let's go have a look at the actual textures. So you can actually start seeing the parts of the model, like for example, we're starting to see actual plates and planes and the gears and everything come together. So here's another fun little Boop demo for everyone. I'm gonna focus in on that guy because I think it's cool. Sweet, and that's that.